Hi, my name is Rhonda Broswick, and today I'm going to be introducing you to Simple Social Sidekick, which has become one of my favorite tools to use on social media. Helps me build my audience, helps me build my know, like, and trust factor with my Facebook friends so that I can keep in touch, but it saves me so much time. This is an automation tool for Facebook that, in my opinion, everybody who is doing business online should be using. So I hope you find some value from this. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Are you ready to dominate and automate your Facebook marketing? Save yourself time and money while you explode your income. This is the best CRM on the market, all for one low price. Never pay monthly fees again. Introducing Simple Social Sidekick, the only tool you will need for Facebook marketing. What can this tool do? Facebook CRM. Save your most important leads to your new Facebook CRM tool. Bulk Messenger. Send tagged friends a custom message to engage with them and build relationships. Auto Engager. Engage with your friends on Facebook automatically to prime your Facebook feed. Friend Seeker. Add friends based on keywords to help build your perfect audience. A Birthday Wisher. Send your friends a personalized message on their birthdays. Auto Greeter. Greet new friends with a custom message to build relationships faster. Schedule Posts. Schedule your Facebook posts ahead of time. A tagging system. Segment your friends with tags to make sure the right message always goes out to them. Plus much more. Simple Social Sidekick saves me about 2 to 3 hours a day on social media. See the link below this video for some testimonials and to grab yours today.